Want to make a clean, professional invoice for free, with no sign-up, no watermark, and honestly, zero hassle? Let me show you the easiest way to do it. It takes less than a minute. Step 1. Head over to damapps.com. Up in the top menu, click on Resources, and from the drop-down, pick Online Invoice Generator. It's marked free, right there. And that's it. You're inside the Invoice Studio. On the left is where you type everything in, and on the right, you get a live preview of your actual invoice, updating as you type. Let's fill it in. First, your business details, your shop name, address, GST number if you have one, and your phone. You can even upload your shop logo, and it drops straight onto the invoice. Next, the invoice info, invoice number and date. And then, Build To, which is just your customer's name and details. Now the important part, your items. Add each product or service, the quantity, the rate, and the GST percentage. Watch the right side. The totals, the CGST, SGST, all of it calculates automatically. You don't touch a calculator. Need another item? Just hit Add Another Item. Add as many as you want. Here's my favorite part. Scroll down to Bank and UPI. Pop in your UPI ID, and boom! The tool creates a dynamic scan and pay QR code with the exact bill amount already filled in. Your customer just scans it with any UPI app and pays you directly. Now let's make it look the way you want. Up top, there's a layout button. You get 3 ready-made designs: classic GST boxed, the modern blue bar, and the clean executive accent. Click through and pick your vibe. Right next to it, color. Change the whole accent color in one click. Blue, slate, emerald, violet, crimson. Or open the rainbow picker and match your exact brand color. And you're in full control of what shows up. See these little in PDF toggles? Turn a whole section on or off. Hide the bank details, or the terms, or the customer block, whenever you don't need them. Happy with it? Hit Print:"Save PDF in the top right. You get a crisp, high-quality A4 PDF, ready to send on WhatsApp, email, or print. No sign-up. Nothing. That's a professional GST invoice, done in under a minute, completely free. The link is in the description. Go make your first one right now. Check out the DAM app.